Insulation has been installed and sheetrock has begun. It is starting to look like a house. I am in the kitchen. This is a doorway to the dining room. There's the living room over there. There's the back door to the patio and the window where we'll have hopefully a little seat right there. There's the pantry and the doorway that goes out to the utility room and then out into the garage. Oh, so cool.
Awesome.
Here we are in the office / guest bedroom. I'm in the back corner, so there'll be French doors here where you come in, and there's a closet right there. And Joey, yes?
No, / bedroom / my playroom.
/ kids playroom / everything else. So there's the large picture windows, walk in, then the closet, stuff. Great. Here we are at the entry. We got the front door there, a little entry, the little niche, and then a coat closet, I guess. Then down to the hallway with the bedrooms. Here will be, I guess, TV area. There is a fireplace back in there, then the big picture window, and a Joey closet.
There's spray foam everywhere.
There is spray foam everywhere because they went through all the little nooks and crannies and put in little spray foam, then they cut off little pieces and all that good stuff. So Joey, would you like to show us your room? All right, show us your room. So going down the hallway, turn into Joey's room. Here we are, dark. There we are. There's his big single hung window.
And there's fluffy stuff.
There's his closet.
There's some fluffy.
There's some insulation. That's Joey's closet, which is also 10 feet tall, just like his ceiling. Then he's got his window, and then over here he's got his little. What is this going to be? Where are you going to make that?
My nook.
That's Joey's nook. That'll be your office, maybe? Your desk area, your study area. All right, let's go check out what's next. So across the hall from Joey's room is the master. So we still need more drywall in here, obviously.
And also
they insulated. Yeah, we insulated the wall between the master and the living room. You have a little. You can tell it's much quieter in here.
Yeah.
Then we have some 6080 French doors that go. Where are we? There we are. They go from the master to out to the patio. There's our bathroom. Looks like they put the deck on for the corner tub. So Lindsay's vanity will be over here. My vanity will be over there. Lindsay's closet is right over here. Then we've got shower. My closet, commode over there. There's.
Look, these two windows are like a peeky hole when you stand on this.
A peek hole to look outside. This is Tyler's room. Coming in, he's got vaulted ceiling. He's got same window as Joey does.
Dad, that one's falling out.
Well, we've got some insulation falling out.
Well, the rest are all
His closet, not as tall as Joey's closet, but still a nice.
Pretty big. It's still pretty big.
Still pretty big closet. And then we've got a hall closet right over here for linens and all that stuff, which it is 10 foot. Standing in front of the window that goes onto the patio, so directly behind you is the living room, and so there's our patio. There's a film on here, so you can just rip that film off. But that will be our view.
There's also some more fluff and
Out of the window.
And there's also some more